Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix slow charging on iPhone after update iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So first of all, fix this issue. You have first solution, you have clean the charging port, then you have used the charging port, then you have clean. First solution this, and then second solution, you have check the power source. Then you have check the power source. His Vivo company. Then you have iPhone charger is adapter. Check the uh, power source your charger. Then other solution, you have third solution, make sure your iPhone is not too hot or cold. जैसे कि आपका आईफोन गर्म हो के ठंडा ना हो, या ठंडा हो तो एकदम से जो है वो गर्म ना हो, तो इस चीज़ का भी खास ख्याल रखना है. और fourth solution, then you have disable optimize battery charging. Then you have open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on battery option, and then you have click on battery health and optimize disable battery charging on your iPhone. So it's turn off, and then he is turn off until tomorrow turn off. Continue, then you have allow on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have update iOS latest version. Then you have again open the setting and click on general and software update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So other solution, fifth solution, you have reset setting on your iPhone. Then again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset our setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then 5 to 10 seconds, do not lose any data, your problem will be fixed. And last solution, seventh solution, you have reset your iPhone volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.